today is my birthday. My mama is open. You can send some gift, guys. Thank you, guys. River, guys. So we going at Ruyenzi to visit some friends. So this is how it looks. Now we are in South Province. Here it is South Province. This is sugarcane.
Oh, Giovanni! This is my last day, he died.
Now we are traveling here. It is Rongo River, guys. So we going at Ruyenzi to visit some friends. So this is how it looks. Now we are in South Province. Here it is South Province. This is sugarcane or not sugarcane. So here it's Ruyenzi, Runda, and up there are many houses. There we are heading. So guys, if it's your first time to see Ruyenzi, this is Ruyenzi. There it's in Kigali. There it's Kigali. So we're heading to Ruyenzi. See you there, guys. I'm gonna give you a little tour at Ruyenzi. Imodoka ni indege. Imodoka ni indege ndakurahiye. Hope you are enjoying. This is Rwanda. Now we are in South Province, Kamonyi district. Here it is Inguvu Gin Limited, the industry, the factory. You see this big building? It's a factory, Inguvu Gin Limited. Here they digging, I don't know. Ibi ni ibitaka by'ikimana bikora umuhanda. So here is the neighborhood, Ruyenzi neighborhood. Up there, as you see, many houses. It's very nice to see. Good evening. Now we are around 6:02. There it's Ruyenzi, guys. So from Kigali Nyabugogo to Ruyenzi, you can use a bus. This is a bus. It's going somewhere called the company is called Jari. Oh, I don't know where it's going, but from Nyabugogo. Yes, it's a company, Jari Investment. It's a company. I was thinking this bus going to Jari. Ariko Jari si hari, yes? The company there. So, so up, we are going high, up. So, we are about our final destination. All there, it's Kigali, guys. Here it's Ruyenzi Center we are about. So I'm gonna show you this. There is a street here. If you like to go to Gihara, you can pass by this street and you can go to Gihara. So this is an amazing building, but there new building as always. So Kigali and Rwanda in general, it's beautiful. Look, people, they always talking about green. Look how here it's another province, but you can't see. This is the trash where you can throw your garbage. So you see, it's our culture. It's our culture, really. Here it's Ruyenzi Center, another way to Gihara. So now we're going down again. This was Ruyenzi Center, like in the city center of Ruyenzi. So going down here. These people are waiting for buses, and we are going down. We still at Ruyenzi, and down there down it's Vishenyi. Now you can see many buildings, every new building here. It's a very amazing to see. It was not like this maybe 5 years ago now. So Rwanda is growing up very fast. Green, Rwanda is green, very green and green. And everywhere there is a camera, a traffic camera. If you're going over speed, so you're gonna be pictured. This is the area now, Ruyenzi. Still here, guys. Oh, so we still going. Look, new building, new neighborhood here. It's very beautiful. I wish to come here in a day, like I can show you very clear this area. But see, Rwanda, it's green, very green everywhere. There are trees, there are beautiful bars I can see around. So this is how Rwanda looking outside of Kigali countryside. That is countryside. But everyone here has much money, I think. It's a very beautiful place. So it's a kind dark. I'm so sorry we're taking this journey in the evening, but this is how it looks. So see you guys. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. I'm gonna show you in short time where we heading to. Ciao guys. DJ KJ here. Bye. See you later. This is Vishenyi, guys. Here it's a bus station. Vishenyi. Look, they are passing here. So up there, it's my neighborhood where I have born. The street you can't see, maybe. I'm gonna take that tour. I have born from that side there, if you can see. So this is a market. No, not a market, it's a workshop, wooden workshop, and it means I am in my district. I have born here at the Kamonyiruyenzi district. So guys, enjoy. Soon we're gonna be at our destination. Ciao guys, peace. Guys, we taking another street, the local street. Now we coming from the main street. We coming this rural area to visit a friend of ours, and I gonna still show you countryside. So they have a boutique, very small shops, and it is a quite place, not busy, not so much people. So I think we are coming where we need to come. It's this home. We are coming to visit our friend there, and we're gonna chill our evening here. So guys, subscribe guys, and it is a beautiful place. You can come outside of Kigali and you can chill here. So they have a beautiful view there. You can see maybe it's a kind of dark, but they have a beautiful view. You can chill from here. It's not far from Kigali. That is the view of Kigali there. So guys, don't stick on Kigali. Don't stick. Gororuzani wawe. There. So don't stick on Kigali guys. You need also to travel and see what's going on from other side. So guys, see you then. Guys, this is our friend is it is a bar. So it is a countryside guys. It's looking so beautiful. He has a beautiful view there of Kigali, Gihara, and so on. And this, damn, look guys. I don't know if you can see this. This is the design of the bottles, Heineken bottles. So it's a beautiful idea. It's a beautiful idea, really. Look, it's very nice. So guys, you need to come and chill from here. Don't miss this place. It's very beautiful. Look, look, beautiful house, everything. So see you guys. It's my birthday.
Oh my God.
It's my birthday. Oh.
Happy birthday.
Hey, Dirani. Hey, ntacyo mwarya.
Ubu ngubu noneho wabikora munabye. Nanjye ngufate video sinzi kuzifata.
Urabundeba gusa.
Oh, Giovanni.
Genda ukize inyuma. This is my birthday, guys.